Hey guys, look, if you want to improve your financial stability without quitting your full-time job, there are various simple ways you can use to make extra income. These opportunities don't require specific talents or large investments. In this video, we're going to discuss 7 practical ways to make extra money in simple terms that anyone can understand. Participating in online surveys and market research can be an easy way to earn some extra cash. Many companies and research organizations pay for your opinions on various topics, products, and services. Signing up with legitimate platforms allow you to answer simple questions and share your views to earn rewards, gifts, or cash. Freelancing can be a profitable way to earn extra income. If you have the abilities such as writing, graphic design, web development, or social media management. Several web platforms connect freelancers with clients in need of their services. You can work on tasks in the evenings, weekends, set your own hours, and work from your own comfort of your own home. Freelancing can be a profitable way to earn income. If you have the abilities as writing, graphic design, web development, or social media management, several web platforms connect freelancers with clients in need of their services. And you can work on tasks in the evenings or on your weekend. You can set your own hours and work from the comfort of your own home. Do you have a spare room, an extra parking space, or a rare used car? Make use of these assets to create additional revenue. Platforms such as Airbnb allow you to rent out your room or property to travelers, while apps such as Turo allow you to share your automobile for a fee with others. This way, while you are not using them, your unused goods can work for you. Play out your clutter and turn your unwanted items into extra income. Through online selling markets and platforms like eBay, Etsy, or Facebook or Marketplace, the old electronics to handmade crafts, there are markets for almost anything. Not only will you declutter your space, but you also make some extra income in the process. You can do dog walking and pet sitting. If you love animals, consider offering dog walking or pet sitting services in your neighborhood. Many pet owners need someone trustworthy to care for their pets while they are sitting at work or on vacation. This gig allows you to spend time with your furry friends while earning extra money on the side. If you have experience in a particular subject or skill, share your knowledge by becoming a tutor or online instructor. You can offer personalized tutoring sessions in various subjects or teach courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. This not only provides an extra income, but also helps others learn something new. Affiliate marketing involves selling products or services while receiving a commission on each sale made by your referral link. Many companies have affiliate programs that allow you to earn money without owning any merchandise or providing customer service. To begin generating passive income, include links to your blog, social media posts, or YouTube videos. In conclusion, building a strong extra income stream alongside your full-time job is possible with some dedication and creativity. Whether it's answering surveys, freelancing, renting out assets, selling online, affiliate marketing, pet sitting, or teaching, there are numerous opportunities to explore. Remember, each of these methods may require some effort and consistency, but they can significantly boost your financial situation and provide you with the freedom to achieve your financial goals. So start exploring these options today and watch your extra income grow steadily. So are you ready to maximize your earnings potential and achieve financial independence? With our free second income course, you'll learn how to earn a second income while working full-time. You'll learn practical tactics and step-by-step instructions for conducting affiliate marketing and other topics. Don't pass this opportunity to increase your income and fulfill your financial goals. Get it now for free and take the first step towards a more prosperous financial future. Sign up now. Click the link in the description. Be